Hello, guys. Welcome back to the Latin side. Today, I'm gonna continue with the second part and how to configure Elastic. And so now we're gonna click and add integration. So we're gonna add Elastic Defense. So we're gonna add Elastic Defense. So here we're gonna call it Windows um, Defense. So you can have any name that you want as well. So I just having that one. When I go down, so let's scroll down here. So the created agency is gonna be agencies policy one. We're gonna save and continue. Mm, So right here. So when I click and add elastic to agent host here, I'm gonna click add agent. So we're gonna add fleet server. So we're gonna specify the name. This is Windows policy. So URL. So let me see if it with HTTP work. I know should be HTTPS. So, but I don't have HTTPS yet. Wanna add it, which is 11. So then when I the port number is gonna be 8220. Generate. Let's see if it work. If you know, we're gonna have to come back and put HTTPS. So I haven't put HTTPS yet because it's saying unsecure, which means HTTPS. I don't wanna cause any confusion. So for sure, HTTPS. Just let me just try to do that way first. Okay, say invalid. So HTTPS, and when I can generate fleet server policy. So now that is done, we're gonna copy this command. So with the command, we're gonna paste in our servers. In this case, the server is Elastic. Uh, paste it. I'm gonna place enter. Now that they're wrong. So that's gonna have the engine as well in the Elastic. So like that we can see what's going on where what we're doing. So our staff, we can figure out what is running, what kind of values we have. So they're up and down, and so many inches as well. So let's see. So offer from our machine, and we say yes. So it's done. So when I move to Windows, so when I copy this agent, so copy when I see something here, so I got drop this of us. Okay. When I move to Windows 10, when I open first Notepad, we had to do some modification. Now paste. Uh, I'm gonna paste over here. And hold on. So here, we're gonna add a little bit here, right, right here, and insecure. That's right. So now we're gonna add a copy. Just copy the whole thing again. Copy when I open uh, Power PowerShell. When I run out, say admin, say yes. So when I go to our desktop, when I cd and c and slash say users user and again Latin cyber ah desktop. Let's see if it look at her pad. Okay. So now we're gonna paste it right here. Good. Let me make it a little bigger because here. Yes. We gonna press enter. Send. So that parcel is may take a little while. So while taking that, so I'm gonna make a little post. And I will come back. So we done. Uh, it's like it's complete and solved. If you wanna go real the thing, it's up to you guys. So just let's continue. So I probably say yeah. So now go back to um Elastic to Pulpo Kelly, our server. So here we can see say agent have been involved. That's mean that we have installed the agents, Elastic agents on Windows 10. For now, we can see what going on in the network um, in Windows 10. So whatever attack the band in Windows so in Windows 10 we can see and we can do some analysis. So now we're gonna let clean view and run agents. Status host. Um, so this is I didn't change the name, so that's the name of the host. Um, this is the name of the host. That's it, our Kelly, Purple Kelly. So that was the name of the host. So here I didn't change the name of the host. So if we go back to Windows 10 and we go to his name, let me see if I'm here. So like here we see here we have the same name showing in in Elastic, which means that's the host name. So I'm gonna go back to Elastic panel. So here show the name. Uh, we can see as well if we click the agents, the host. So we see the host. Let's see if you show the IP address. So let's say host ID. Let's see a window defender. Let's see what we can see. Law. We haven't created any law yet. So the reason gonna take some time because we haven't created anything yet. So and it's gonna be kind of difficult to see what's going on to the system right now. So, but later on when I create some traffics like that, we can see how that work. So when I add something, so when I go here, when I go scroll down to management, that's all the again. So management here, management, when I integration, when I search for Windows, yes, that's what we're working to. When I click in Windows, when I click in the Windows, uh, so now we're gonna leave it as a default. So it's saying continue leave as a default because that's it. I using policies, so that's the best way to leave as a default right now. Now we sorry we forgot to say you had to clean save and continue right in the corner in the bottom. So so we're gonna have here change it to add to policy one. So I just now yes you have save and continue. So we click to an assistant host. So like I was saying, so here we're gonna select agents for this one, and I save and continue. So here, so that's what I'm gonna do. That's gonna update. I just save and deploy. So we already have it here now. So now, uh, if you wanna see, if it doesn't say we wanna go here, we're gonna go management. Let's scroll down. And I go to flee. When I click flee, so when I close on the window, close. Um, it's not gonna. Yes, you can see here what we have. So we have the Windows one, what that just we add now. We have system, and now we can add something here. So we're gonna add now Elastic Defender. So we can go in the bottom. So management and now integration. So I thought Elastic Defender was we create Elastic Defender. So we clean add. So we're gonna go to the system one. So to It's already in it, so we don't have to do that. So that's that we have installed so far. We have Elastic Defender system and window. So now we're gonna click on Window Defender. So we're gonna scroll down to see. So by default it's prevented. So if our goal is to land, so we wanna as a detector, detect. So like that when we are doing so our penetration testing, we can detect and get it like uh, the readings is the network gonna show up what's going on within the network, so that the reason is better that we set the depth. So we're gonna click save integration, save explosion. Okay. So guys, let's go to window 10. Um, so that's a virus that I'm downloading. Timing. So that I'm gonna paste the link where you can download if you wanna do it. So, but that's gonna be just for Windows 10 that you can use that. Just gonna let me download first. We say keep it. So what I wanna do, minimize this bar. So when I go File Explorer, so I wanna move it to desktop. Uh, Downloads and download area. So I move to the desktop right here. What I can see you. Battery elastic. Now we're gonna go battery elastic, and we're gonna click and see if we can see something. So we're gonna go to dashboard to discover. See if we okay. So here we see all the different manager. So what was the name? I had to change the name like that. We can search for a name or IP address. The IP address is one. Let me search for the IP address. Two. Well, let's see if we can show any. Okay, say that's the IP address, so we can mm, spin like that. We can see agent. So yes, that's the name. We can see, so we can see everything is gone through to the network. We can see the up and down, and so on. So as well, let me do another search to see if it cache uh, the the virus. So when I say event, so that code probability it is uh, word. It's no one for fourth. Let me see if we can find anything. So we haven't done resort yet, but we have with the IP address in that case. Um, we can see your everything that happened in the network right now. So we can start searching for some kind of abnormality in the network, and from that point, start analyzing. Uh, later on, we want to continue explaining, doing some kind of activity. So guys, remember, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and leave your comment. So see you to the next time. And so,